Hi there, thank you for coming back to FFTL Inspired. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple Ankara headband that you can make at home with your basic sewing machine or needle and thread if you don't have a cut of fabric on the outside and also ironing. The next thing I'm just going to do is to sew across on the open ends of all the cuts of fabric. Just like so. I've already sewn across in my machine and now I'm just going to turn inside out. So turning inside out now, I ensure that the joint part is in the center and I'm just going to iron it out. So now I'm going to pass the elastic through the smaller cut of fabric and secure with pins on both ends. So I've secured with pins on both ends. I'm going to transfer to my machine now to sew across just like that. So I'm now proceeding to the larger cuts of fabric, placing them on each other and ensuring that the joint part stays in between like so. Now bring the elastic and fabric that I've joined, place it in the center of one of the fabrics, then fold over the larger cut of fabric like that and take to my machine to sew right across, just like that. So I've joined this end of the fabric and we'll repeat the same process on the other side of the fabric. So ensure that the elastic is facing the right side before placing in the center of the other end of the headband. Place in the center just like we did on the other end and also fold over the other part of the fabric just like so and also sew across. So now I've sewn both ends of the Ankara headband and I'm just going to take off the excess. So that's it. I'm just going to tuck in that part of the headband. tuck it right inside out, and do the same on the other side of the headband. Tuck it in just like that, so the sewn part is no longer visible. And with that, we are done with the Ankara headband. So just like I said earlier, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can easily use your needle and thread, as there is no so much sewing to be done. And like that, it is ready. Very neat, simple to make. You can make with other fabric of your choice. So if you use a thicker fabric, you might not need to use the fusible interfacing like I did. And you're done. Really beautiful and easy to make. So guys, try it out on your own and let me know your results. As you can see me rocking it, it's so beautiful and it complements a lot of things. So I've made this to complement one of my handbags that I'll be showing you in another video how to make. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.